Hey babe. How's your birthday present doing?
Good.
You sound disappointed.
No, it's not that, honey. I love that you got me a puppy for my birthday, but it just won't stop biting. Those little puppy teeth hurt.
Well, it's probably teething. You just need to teach it what it can chew and what it can't.
I don't know how though. I thought it was going to be easy to just yell when he did something wrong, but I see that cute little face and I just can't.
Take the cuteness out and teach babe. If you don't, you will regret it.
I know, but the one time I did yell, he just got scared of me and hid. I don't want him to be scared of me.
I'm scared when you yell, but you still do it to me.
Yeah, but you aren't as cute as him.
Gee, maybe a puppy was a bad idea after all.
Oh hush. I just don't know what to do.
Well, you're going to have to teach him. If you don't, he will just chew on everything.
Won't he just grow out of it eventually?
Not unless you make him. Babe, if you really stay on him, it could take as little as a couple of weeks for him to learn.
A couple of weeks?
Yeah, dogs are smart. And if you're consistent, then they will learn quickly.
See? Another reason the puppy is better. Wow, a couple of weeks.
Haha, very funny. I'll remember this in the future when it comes to presents.
Ha ha, it seems like I have everything a girl could need now. Something that learns quickly, cute as a button, forever a cuddle buddy, will do whatever I tell him to. And eats and sleeps on my schedule.
Oh man.
I should go, my little man is waiting to cuddle. And thanks for the advice, 2 weeks of yelling won't be so bad.